Intended as a commuter vehicle, the world's smallest car travels up to 40 miles per hour. Technicians craft the body in molds, section by section. First, they spread an epoxy resin in the customer's color choice. Once the resin cures, they lay a sheet of fiberglass matting and impregnate it with resin. This bonds the matting to the gel coat layer. Narrower strips of matting are applied around the perimeter. Certain areas are reinforced with a more porous fiberglass matting to absorb more resin. Finally, a second layer of fiberglass matting and resin is set over the entire mold. The body sections are extracted from their molds. This is the main section. The gel coat forms a smooth and shiny finish on the sturdy fiberglass underneath. Technicians smooth the edges of the fiberglass. Technicians weld together the car's lightweight aluminum gas tank. It holds 1 gallon of gas. They drill a hole through it, then weld on the filler tube and screw on the cap. The car runs on 3 wheels, 2 at the front and 1 driven by the engine at the back. Technicians assemble the wheel hubs, then mount them onto the triangular suspension of the axle. On the rear wheel, they mount a sprocket, which allows the engine to drive a chain that rotates the wheel. They connect the shock absorber on the rear wheel to a mount underneath the body. After installing the 1-cylinder engine in the middle of the body, technicians bolt on the chassis. They connect the shock absorber on the rear wheel to a mount underneath the body. They install all the electrical components such as the headlight, the brake lights, the turn signals, and the wiper. The car can be ordered with an electric engine, in which case they install 4 12-volt rechargeable batteries. The car has a rack and pinion steering system. The steering column is attached to a circular gear called a pinion. When the driver turns the steering wheel in one direction, the pinion moves in that direction along the rack. The rack is a track with teeth connected by rods to the front wheels. It moves and turns the wheels, steering the car. The vehicle is mechanically complete.